TD-M2 Pro User Guide. Before turning on the device, you need to install the battery and insert the SIM card into the walkie-talkie. Face the chip side upwards. A slight rebound feeling when pushing it in indicates correct insertion. Push it further in until you hear a click. Press the red back button to power on. Below is the download QR code for the Odmaster app, which is compatible with the M2 Pro. Register an account and log in. Short press the PTT1 button to bring up the QR code. Tap the plus button, select Add, then choose M2 Pro. Scan the QR code. You can customize the device name and finally tap OK to complete the binding. Tap Talk, then tap Add Friends in the upper right corner to enter a friend's ID. Alternatively, you can add friends by scanning their QR code. Tap New Group in the upper right corner, enter the group name, add members, and tap Create to finish creating the group. Then import the created group to the M2 Pro. Full call, open the group in the app, select the group,
Join group 101,
and press and hold the PTT button to talk. Group call, tap the Members button, select multiple members, and short press the PTT1 button to confirm and call them simultaneously. Single call, tap the Members button, select the member you want to call, and short press the PTT1 button to confirm and start a private conversation. The side switch can be used to switch to settings related to the analog mode. At this time, the group and members buttons will be replaced with the channel switch button. When two walkie-talkies are on the same frequency, press and hold the PTT2 button to talk. The M2 Pro supports Odmaster Bluetooth frequency programming. First, turn on Bluetooth in the settings.
Bluetooth.
Switch the app to the program interface and follow these steps. First, connect via Bluetooth. Second, select the model. Third, tap Read to read the current frequency. Fourth, set the desired parameters. Fifth, tap Write to program the new frequency. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.